because I've seen it here rain all day long at 28 degrees, and the roadways never froze up. It was the bridges and overpasses.
I was out there just a few minutes ago before we started, and we were getting a little bit of sleet out in the parking lot. Not heavy, but
not heavy.
Yeah.
As long as we don't get a lot of sleet, I think the roadways, for the most part, are going to be okay. But if we start getting a lot of sleet, then those roadways will freeze up really quick. But the bridges and overpasses, they're not going to get any better. I just don't see them getting much better because it's going to be cold, and we're going to continue to have light precipitation. So we've got a winter storm warning that continues all the way through 6 o'clock for all the counties that are in pink, including Bexar County and surrounding counties. And that means we're going to pick up up to 1/10 of an inch of ice. And pretty much we've seen a lot of accumulation on the cars and elevated surfaces. Now, this is a look at Bexar County and surrounding counties. The temperatures, they're cold. Mid-20s up in Stone Oak, mid-20s up around Bulverde. New Braunfels is at 27, downtown 28. Out around Castroville, it's 29. We've got light precipitation across the northern portion of the county, mainly in the form of a light freezing drizzle or a light freezing rain. Every once in a while, you'll have a little sleet mixing in as well, and I'm expecting that for the rest of the morning into the afternoon. A few sleet showers to come by. Temperature out at Uvalde is 29. The freezing line is pushed all the way down to the south. Almost all now of South Texas is below freezing. Up to the north in the hill country, could have a little flake of snow. I'm sure you've seen a little bit of that up around Kerrville. Kerrville's coming in at 23. You add the wind, we've got a pretty mean wind chill. Feels like 13 degrees. San Marcos feels like 10. Look at Fredericksburg up in Gillespie County. Feels like 8 degrees this morning. Rock Springs feels like, Victoria feels like 16 degrees. All right, this is a look at the first alert Doppler radar, and for the most part, like I said, this is light precipitation for the most part. Just light freezing rain, every once in a while a little bit of a sleet shower. I doubt we're seeing, where you see the white here and the blue, that should be snow, but I doubt we're seeing snow through here. I think for the most part it's probably a little sleet showers and again freezing rain. Now, this mode of the radar shows better where it's raining the heaviest, or the precipitation I should say is the heaviest. Heaviest right now is in northern Bexar County, just north of Camp Bullis, just on the other side of the Dominion. Also coming down pretty good in Kendall County, Comal County, up around Hayes County. Not as heavy down to the south and west, or I shouldn't say not as widespread, but we've got a new batch coming out of the south and west. So the bridges and the overpasses that are frozen over, a little bit more precipitation on those bridges and overpasses, they're going to stay frozen over. So it just doesn't look very good for our bridges and overpasses. And the roads, well, just stay off the roads. All right, so we've got a northerly wind. Look at the cold temperatures up at Dallas-Fort Worth, 21. Look at Oklahoma City, it's 8 degrees. Amarillo's at 7. Memphis is at 15. This is a cold air mass, so we're not going to move anywhere. We're just going to stay with the temperatures in the upper 20s. The precipitation will finally come to an end, I think, by this afternoon into this evening. And then tomorrow, yeah, I think we may see just a little bit of some sunshine. So here's your forecast for the rest of today. I think we'll see some sleet showers, but the chances of seeing those sleet showers start to decrease this afternoon and into this evening. But temperatures are just going to stay cold with those wind chills in the teens for the most part. Tomorrow, partly cloudy. I think Thursday, we're going to see temperatures only topping out at 43. Friday, 59, but now we're getting back to normal. Saturday, 70, and Sunday, 68. May have some morning showers, by the way, on Sunday, but be careful out there on those roads.